The Radiology Panel is used for managing and processing radiology requests and accessing patient imaging results and reports within a healthcare system. To access the Radiology Panel, follow the following steps. Navigate to the clinical module and select Radiology. Ensure that you are signed in to the room Radiology so as to access the patients queued to the room. The mini queue indicates the patient's ticket number, OPD number, patient's name, where the patient is coming from, and the time they have spent on the queue. Select the patient by clicking on the name once, and the patient's demographics will be displayed in the patient's details section. You can also call the patient by double-clicking on the patient's name. The patient's radiology request will be displayed on the requested examination section. Select the test as shown. The history of the requested test will be displayed in the history section automatically, as was recorded by the doctor at the time the test was requested. The technical procedure describes how the imaging study was performed. It details the type of imaging used, the specific protocols followed, and any additional factors, such as the use of contrast agents. The findings section contains a detailed description of what the radiologist sees in the images. It is an objective part of the report, listing any abnormalities, masses, or relevant anatomical observations. The impression is the radiologist's interpretation of the findings. It is a concise summary that provides the most important diagnostic conclusions and suggests the next steps or possible diagnoses. Comment is a section within a radiology report where the radiologist provides additional insights, interpretations, or recommendations based on the findings from the imaging study. The examiner, typically the radiographer, performs the imaging procedures. Subsequently, the radiologist interprets the resulting images and provides a diagnostic report. Fill in the center, which is basically the radiology department or imaging center where the imaging procedures are performed. Enter the date and time when the requested examination was done. If the test is not done, fill out why in the reason is not done field. Check is done if the examination is done, and check is internal if the test was done within the facility. Click on the Save button to save the results. At the bottom of the panel, you can see patients' previous visits, which will have the previous visits summary report, as well as lab and radiology reports, if any were done. On the Actions tab, you can perform the following. You can create a new radiology request, view pending radiology requests, view images, queue patients, and upload files from your device's storage. You can also unlock a test that is marked as done in a scenario where new insights have emerged. Click on the examination report to view the report, and finally click on Queue Patient to queue the patient to the next service point as shown.